Hi, today I will introduce you about one of the most important hook, React hook, called useEffect. Before continue in before now what's useEffect do, and let us see what is side effect. So what is side effect? Side effects are basically anything just affects something outside of the scope of the current function just being executed. For example, you have a side effect function, and everything just you call you run in just function, but the result um, is not different, not depend on the current function. So can cause side effects. For example, you made in the in your function, you made an API call to a function call to API server to get the data. So you don't know what the data the API server will return. So the result of function call API can be changed, can be different on each time you call it. So it is called side effects. So how many side of side effects? Side effects need to be cleaned up, and side effects don't need to be cleaned up. For side effect needs to be cleaned up, we have a subscription, set timeout, and set interval. And for side effect don't need to be cleaned up, we have a call API and doom interaction. So why we push set interval function in the type of side effects need to clean up. That is because set interval. That is because set interval, for example, uh, for every 2 seconds, I will do something when I call set interval. So every 2 seconds it will run a function, and even the React component will unmount this running this call function every 2 seconds still will run. So it will call memory leak. So you need to clean up. So to avoid the memory leak. So what is useEffect in React hook? useEffect is just a function that have two parameter. The first parameter is a function we will need to execute, need to run, and the second parameter will be the array of dependency, array of React variable. It's called dependency because the running of useEffect, the running of this function in useEffect will depend on the array of this dependency. And depend on array dependency will determine the way this function should be executed. If we omit the second parameter array of dependency, in don't pass this second parameter we omit it, so this function will always run after every render of component. If we pass this array of dependency as an empty array here, this function will run only one time, and if array of dependency contain one variable, this function will run at the first time the component will render, and when the variable one change its value, this function will be executed. And when array of dependency contain two or multiple variables, so this function of course run after the first render of component, and will continue to run when one of the variable change its values. In the next video, I will show you the detailed implementation, of course, with the example, so you can really understand how we can use effects in React.JS. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.